Hey, this is a really quick video, just with the Enso rings here. I bought an Enso ring because my wedding band is way too small because I've either gotten too fat or too old, one of the two. So I got an Enso ring. I'm going to open it up, see what it's like. Hopefully it fits really good because I need a new ring. Okay, so let's open up my Enso ring here and let's see what it looks like. Alright, so that's it, little tiny envelope, as you see, just an envelope. Nothing too crazy there. You open it up, and this is what you get. Be a force for good. Congratulations, you are now the proud owner of an Enso ring. Every Enso ring comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's pretty awesome. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, there it is. I got the black Beveled. Wow, that's kind of cool. Let's see what it does. Wow, I'm married again. Uh-oh. Not bad. Not bad at all. And my hand is quite fat. I don't think its camera adds 10 pounds. I think camera adds 400 pounds. Anyway, there you go. It's beveled. You can kind of see that. Let me see if I can get that up there. You can kind of see the beveled side of it there. Beveled. Not bad. It came pretty darn quick. The packaging, as you can see, is pretty good. You know, nothing extravagant, which I like. I hate things that are wrapped in like a thousand things. And you're trying to open it all up, and it just makes it crazy. So there we go. See how easy it comes off here. Oh, perfect. I got a size 12, but you can size yourself and figure out what you need. That is not bad at all. Not bad at all. Like I was saying, the packaging is minimal, which I like. It comes right out of Utah, it looked like, when they shipped it to me. I live up here in Canada, so it only took maybe, I think it took maybe like 5 business days or something. Pretty happy with the speed. And the quality looks pretty darn good. Yeah, quality looks pretty good. It says Enso. Oops, let me show each other else you can see it. It says Enso inside. I don't know if you can read that with the lighting. I have bad lighting, I apologize. Again, I'm not very good at YouTube videos. If you watch my YouTube videos, you'll see that. But there you go. I wanted a new ring because my other one was way too small. And I got this one because I like the fact that it's silicone. Silicone cool ring, so I don't have to worry about hurting myself, or if I'm at the gym or mountain biking or God, snowboard, who knows. Whatever I'm doing, it won't get wrecked. There you go. Thanks for watching.